Hi everyone, this is Ecuboot, and with today's videos, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to unlock the agility drive mode as known as Sport Plus on Mercedes E200 W212. So this model is using a 7-tronic automatic transmissions, which only has an E, S and another M drive mode. So I'm going to code it to unlock Sport Plus mode on this car by using BMW to activate agility mode on the gearbox. And if you want to know more about the details on the tutorials, feel free to contact us and we will show you exactly how to do it on your own. So after using C4 and BMW to code the transmissions, as you can see, we're having Sport Plus mode on our vehicle. Once this Sport Plus mode is activated, your driving experience is completely different due to leg shifting. And I'm going to demonstrate for you right now. So this is a quick tutorial on how to coding the agility mode on your 7-tronic automatic transmissions, and hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.